The 8 best weight reduction drinks when used alongside healthful subculture alterations. Detailed beverages are more robust than others at promoting weight loss. Drinks like inexperienced tea, coffee and high-protein drinks were proven to boost metabolism, promote fullness and scale back hunger, all of which can inspire weight loss. Here are 8 drinks that are one of the most finds to incorporate on your weight reduction plan when seeking to shed weight and get healthy. 1. Inexperienced tea. Green tea is most of the time associated with wellness, and for just right reason. No longer best is it packed with worthwhile antioxidants and different strong vitamins and minerals, it's also one of the vital powerful drinks for weight reduction. Ingesting inexperienced tea has been shown to reduce body weight and body fat in a number of studies. A evaluation of 14 experiences determined that humans who drank high-concentration inexperienced tea for 12 weeks misplaced an traditional of 0.44 to 7.7 kilos, 0.2 to 3.5 kilograms more than people who did not drink inexperienced tea. One trusted source. It will have to be famous that this advantage is linked to green tea preparations that contain high amounts of catechism, antioxidants that may expand fat burning and enhance metabolism. 2. Trusted supply. Match is a sort of green tea that involves a higher quantity of catechism than free-leaf green tea, which makes it a good option for weight loss. 3. Trusted supply. One learn determined that ladies who consume 3 grams of match per day skilled better fats burning in the course of exercise compared to ladies who did not drink match. 4. Trusted source. Plus, inexperienced tea contains caffeine, which can aid promote weight loss through boosting vigor phases and improving performance while exercising. 5. Trusted source. 6. Trusted supply. What's more, persons who drink green tea are inclined to have decreased blood strain and a cut-back threat of setting up illnesses comparable to heart disease, designated cancers and diabetes. 6. Trusted supply. 2. Espresso coffee is utilized by individuals around the globe to boost vigor phases and carry mood. This is considering that espresso involves caffeine, a substance that acts as a stimulant within the body and could benefit weight reduction. Espresso can scale down power intake and improve metabolism, which may support you lose weight. One gained knowledge of in 33 overweight adults determined that individuals who drank espresso containing 6 milligrams of caffeine per kilogram of body weight consumed tremendously fewer overall energy than folks who drank much less caffeine or no caffeine at all. 7. Trusted supply. Caffeine intake has additionally been shown to expand metabolism and promote fat burning in several different reviews. 8. Trusted source. 9. Trusted source. Coffee drinkers could have a less complicated time preserving their weight loss over time, as good. A B taught in over 2,600 individuals observed that folks who were positive in retaining weight loss over time drank tremendously extra caffeinated drinks than a control group. 5. Trusted source. 3. Black tea. Like green tea, black tea comprises compounds that may stimulate weight loss. Black tea is a type of tea that has passed through extra oxidation, exposure to air, than different forms of teas, resulting in a stronger taste and darker color. Black tea is excessive in polyphenols, together with a gaggle of polyphenol compounds known as flavonoids. Polyphenols are strong antioxidants that may support decreased body weight. Stories have shown that the polyphenols discovered in black tea promote weight loss with the aid of decreasing calorie consumption, stimulating fats breakdown and boosting the growth of friendly gut microorganisms. 9. Trusted source. 10. Trusted supply. Again, knowledge of in 111 men and women demonstrated that folks that drank 3 cups of black tea daily for 3 months misplaced more weight and had larger savings in waist circumference compared to a manipulate team. 11. Trusted source. An extra gain knowledge of in 2,734 females discovered that these with larger intakes of flavonoid-rich meals and drinks like black tea had drastically reduced body fats and stomach fats than females who consumed less dietary flavonoids. 12. Trusted source. 4. Water. Growing your water intake is without doubt one of the simplest methods to give a boost to total well-being. Drinking extra water may additionally benefit your waistline by way of maintaining you full in between meals and growing the number of energy you burn. Study means that having water earlier than meals can set you up for achievement when looking to diminish on calories and shed some pounds. A learn in 48 overweight adults located that those who drank 500 milliliters 17 ounces of water earlier than ingredients while following a low-calorie weight reduction plan misplaced 44% extra weight over 12 weeks than those who did not drink water before meals. 13. Trusted supply. Ingesting cold water raises resting vigor expenditure, which is the number of calories you burn whilst resting. For illustration, a learn in 21 obese children confirmed that resting power expenditure was elevated by means of up to 25% for 40 minutes after drinking 10 milliliters of bloodless water per kilogram of body weight. 14. Trusted source. 5. Apple cider vinegar drinks. Apple cider vinegar includes acetic acid, a compound that will stimulate weight loss with the aid of decreasing insulin stages, bettering metabolism, suppressing urge for food and burning fats. 15. Trusted supply. 16. Trusted source. Animal reviews have shown that acetic acid can avoid weight attain and scale back fat accumulation within the belly and liver. 15 trusted source. Even though research is confined, there may be some proof that vinegar is robust in promoting weight reduction in humans. A B taught in 144 obese adults demonstrated that drinking an everyday beverage containing 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of vinegar per day resulted in big reductions in body weight, waist circumference and stomach fats in comparison with a placebo team. 17 trusted source. Apple cider vinegar slows stomach emptying, which helps maintain you fuller for an extended interval of time and may slash overeating. 18 trusted supply. Nonetheless, it should be noted that consuming acidic beverages like apple cider vinegar can erode enamel, which is why it will have to be consumed sparingly and continually adopted by rinsing with water. 19 trusted supply.